Good morning students. Today we will study maths chapter 5. Does it look the same? First we start with question first. Does the dotted line shows symmetry of the given shape? Tick right for yes and wrong for no in the box. Here is many figures are given. Suppose we turn any figure, we will get the same figure in another side and it called symmetry. Here is our first figure and dotted line given here. So we turn this figure with this dotted line, we will get the same figure. So it is symmetry. So I tick here right mark. Second one, this is figure and here is dotted line is given. Suppose I turn this figure from here to here and otherwise I overlap this figure, then we will get the same figure. So this is in symmetry, this given figure in symmetry. This is rectangle shape. Dotted line pass through here. See. So we overlap this figure, we do not get same figure. So it is not in symmetry. So it is, I keep here wrong mark. Suppose this line may pass from here, then it will symmetry. Suppose this line pass from this portion, then it is symmetry. But this line is passed from here, so it is not in symmetry. Fourth figure, here is triangle and here is rectangle and line passes from here. So I overlap this figure, we do not get same figure, so it is not in symmetry, so it is wrong. So I keep here wrong. Fifth one, this dotted line not pass in middle of the figure, so it is not in symmetry. Sixth one, it is one tree and this line passes in middle of the figure and we overlap this figure, we will get same figure, so it is symmetry, so it is right. Seventh one, this is also a symmetry. Suppose this line is passed from here, so we overlap this figure, we will get same figure. So this is this figure in symmetry, so it is right. Eighth one, see here is a straight line and this one side is one box is given. See here is box. So I overlap here, so we will not get same figure in another side. So it is not in symmetry. So given figure is not in symmetry. So here is wrong mark. The next questions, complete the pictures given below by drawing the similar mirror havels along the dotted line. Here is dotted line is given, so we have complete this figure as a symmetry. हमें ये फिगर को ऐसे ड्रॉ करना है कि जैसे दूसरे साइड मिरर के दूसरे साइड सेम टू सेम फिगर मिले. तो here is in this side is given in this way. So we complete this figure in this way, here to here. Okay, this is one butterfly picture, half side is given in this way is given. So here is, so I complete figure in this way, in this side, so we will get in this side and then and Then in this way we complete the figure. Here is one is circle, big circle, one is small circle. So I complete by this way. Here is one freehand picture, half side is given. So I complete in this way. One leaf shape, here is leaf shape is given, dotted line given here. So I complete this figure. This is also another type of leaf. So I complete this figure in this way. Here is this portion is given. We will draw the next right side figure. It is dotted line given. So here, here and this way we complete this figure. Here is given. So I turn this paper, so these portions come here. So this is line, and this way we complete our figure. Here question 4, draw a dotted line to divide each shape into two similar mirror oval. In before two sums, dotted line is given, but in those figure dotted line not given, we have to draw dotted line, then we get the similar figure in another side. See here, one figure is like this, so I dot it from here. Then we get similar here also. Same way. Then here, then here in this line, and this is hexagonal shape, so we divide, it is our dotted line. So we will get the symmetry. Here is M shape, here 2 points we match. Okay, C. Then questions, draw a dotted line in the letter of the alphabet and digit which can be divided into two equal parts. Here is some alphabet and some digits are given. See, here is B, J, F, I, X, L, G, H, R, W, Z and E, and digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, C, S and K. Some alphabet and some digit is given. So we divide in such digit and alphabet, so we will get equal part. See, here is first is B. So I draw dotted line from here. So we will get same equal part. Here is J, not possible. In this shape, here is not, so it is not possible. F, not possible. I, it is possible. X, it is possible. This X we will divide in two way, first in this way and this way also. L, not possible. G, not possible. H, yes, H is possible. In two way, in this way and this side also. You may draw only one way. R, not possible. W, yes, it is possible. Z, not possible. E, yes, it is possible. 1, not possible, because in this type of 1 is written in such way, so it is not possible. 2, not possible. 3, yes, possible. 4, not possible. 5, not possible. 6, not possible. 7, not possible. 8, yes, it is possible. 9, not possible. C, yes, it is possible. S, not possible. K, yes, it is possible. Tick right in the box below the given shape that would look the same after half, which means 1 by 2 a turn. Before we do this sum, first we understand what is the half turn. First we understand here is what full turn. Full turn, it means one circle. One circle, it means 360 degree turn. 1 by 2 turn, it means 1 by 2 multiplied by 360 is equal to 360 divided by 2 is equal to 180 degree. And 1 by 4 turn, it means 360 divided by 4, 4 9s are 36, it means 90 degree. 1 by 3 turn is equal to 360 divided by 3 is equal to 1s are 2s are is equal to 120 degree. And 1 by 6 is equal to 360 divided by 60, 6 6 are 36 is equal to 60 degree. It means here say half turn, it means here is figure is given, here all those figures are given. So, we turn these figure in 180 degree. 180 degree, it means straight angle, it means in this way, in straight line. Okay. Now, let us start and see our figures. First figure here, and suppose I turn this figure here to here, it means from here. So, we will get same. So, after 1 by 2 turn, it looks same. So, it is right. Here also after 1 by 2 turn, it means suppose I turn this figure in 180 degree from here to here, here to here, and then it looks same. So, it is right, it means it looks same. So, I give right mark. And this figure also we turn here to here, then we will get same. So, it is right. This figure also we turn इधर से 180 डिग्री में घुमाएंगे तो सेम टू सेम ही मिलेगा. सो इट इज़ राइट. इट इज़ अ स्क्वायर, इसको भी 180 डिग्री में घुमाएंगे. इट मीन्स वी टर्न इन 1 by 2 turn, 1 by 2 it means 180 degree. So, it is right. This is rectangle shape, we turn in 180 degree, we will get same figure. So, it is right. And it is circle, simple, half 180 degree we will get same. This also same. Here is triangle shape. Suppose I turn in 180 degree from here. So, it will come this side. So, this shape will change. So, it's not look same. So, it is cross. It is hexagonal shape. So, I turn in this side to in this side. So, this will change in same. So, we will get same figure in another side. So, it is right. It is pentagon. Suppose I turn here to here in this side. So, we will not get same. So, it is not same. So, we will give wrong mark. And this one also we will get same. Suppose here to here and here to here. So, we will get same. See here, no, here not, here is P. Suppose we turn here, we will get उल्टा P मिलेगा, oppose. So, we will keep here wrong mark This is also we will not get same after 1 by 2 turn. So, we keep here wrong mark. Here we will get same, this we will not get same. So, this same and it is same. Okay. Now, next question is here, draw by changing the shape in such a way that the new shape remain the same on giving it half a turn. Here some shapes are given. हम इसको कैसा शेप बनाए, तो हाफ टर्न करने के बाद हमको सेम टू सेम ने, इट इज़ इनकम्प्लीट शेप्स. So, we have to complete in such way. So, we will get same figure after a half turn. Here this portion is given and this side is not given. So, we will draw here one square. So, it is complete. Here is 3 dots are given. See, and here in this side is not given. So, we will draw one dot and color with blue. So, we will get same. Here is 2 triangle, here is 1 circle, but in this side is incomplete. So, we will draw here one more circle, then we will get same figure. Here is this figure. So, we will draw circle and middle. So, we rotate from this circle, then we will get same figure after 1 by 2 rotation. Here is 2 triangle. So, I draw this triangle in just in diamond shape. So, after rotation we will get same shape. Here question, draw how the following shape will look on 1 by 2 turn and 1 by 4 turn. Here some shapes are given, 1, 2, 3 and 4 shapes are given. How it look after 1 by 2 turn and 1 by 4 turn. 1 by 2 इट मीन्स 180 डिग्री पे हम इसे घुमाएंगे तो कैसा शेप मिलेगा, और 1/4 पे हम घुमाएंगे, 1/4 इट मीन्स 90 डिग्री पे हम घुमाएंगे तो हमें कैसा शेप मिलेगा, वो हमको यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करना है. हियर इज ट्राइंगल, तो 180 पे घुमाएंगे तो ये पूरा उल्टा हो जाएगा, तो ये वाला शेप है वो नीचे आ जाएगा इन सच वे. ओके. देन 90 डिग्री पे घुमाएंगे तो ये शेप इधर आ जाएगा, तो ये ट्राइंगल में इधर आ जाएगा इस सच वे. Here is one square shape, we turn here to here or here to here, we will get same shape. So, square no change. In 1 by 2 turn and 1 by 4 turn, in both way we will get square, same to same. Here is rectangle shape, 1 by 2 turn, 1 by 2 में इधर से इधर लेंगे या इधर से इधर लेंगे, in both way we will get same to same shape. But in 1 by 4 it means 90 डिग्री पे ये हॉरिजॉन्टल में से वर्टिकल हो जाएगा इन सच वे. Here is hexagonal shape. After 1 by 2 turn, ये पोर्शन इधर, ये पोर्शन इधर, बोथ साइड सेम, सो वी विल गेट सेम शेप. ओके, बट इन 1 by 4 टर्न तो ये पॉइंट इधर आ जाएगा. सो इन दिस वे इट इज हेक्सागोनल शेप. ओके, देन draw how the following shape will look on 1 by 3 turn and 1 by 6 turn. Here is shapes is given after a 1 by 3 turn it looks same, so you have to draw same to same. After 1 by 6 also it looks same, so same to same. This figure also same. same shape. All figures after 1 by 3 and 1 by 6 same shape will then this also same because it is equilateral triangle. So, same to same 1 by 3 rotation 180 is very simple. See, here is a obtuse angle type, it means 120 degree. So, it come here, here to come here, it means same to same in 6 turn, then also same to same. Okay. Now, this shape, which shape will look the same after 1 by 3 turn? Tick right for yes and cross for no in the box. Here is given 3 circle, but here 2 circles fill in blue color. So, we turn in 180 degree, it will come in this side, in this portion. So, shape will change, not in, so it's not look same, so it is cross. After this it is same, so right, it is simple, it is same, triangle, equilateral triangle same, this also same, this also shape, same to same. Which shape will look the same after 1 by 6 turn? 1 by 6 it means which degree? 60 degree. Tick right for yes and cross for no. See, all here is 6 triangle. So, and all are equilateral, it means 60 degree. So, it is after turning same to same. This also same. Here after 160 degree it is same, this same, but it is not look same after 1 6 turn. This also not look same after 1 6 turn.